In everyday business, the same things happen again and again. A customer buys more than once. A product is sold many times. The same dates appear on many records. When all this information is placed together in one large table, the same names, products, and details repeat over and over. Over time, this repetition creates confusion, mistakes, and numbers. People stop trusting. Relational logic solves this problem by keeping information organized by meaning. Customers are stored in one place. Products are stored in another. Transactions are stored separately. Each table talks about one thing only, which keeps the data tidy and easier to manage. Each row represents one item, such as one customer or one transaction, and each column describes a detail shared by all items in that table. Every table also needs a way to tell one row from another without doubt. This role is played by an identifier, often a number, which stays the same even if names, prices, or descriptions change. This stable identity allows the data to stay consistent over time and prevents mix-ups as the dataset grows. Once data is organized and each row has a clear identity, the tables are linked together. These links allow Power BI to understand how customers relate to transactions and how products relate to sales without copying the same information again and again. Instead of repeating customer names inside every transaction, the system stores a reference that points back to the customer table whenever needed. Most reports follow a simple pattern. One customer links to many transactions. One product links to many sales. Power BI relies on this structure to filter data correctly and add numbers accurately. When this structure is clear, reports behave in a stable and predictable way. When it is not, totals look reasonable but remain wrong, often without warning. Power BI always looks at the data structure first. Charts, tables, and numbers appear later. This means the way data is organized controls every filter, total, and calculation shown on the screen. A clear structure leads to reliable results. A weak structure leads to misleading outputs, even if the visuals look professional.